Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at some of those opportunities in kucoin that we can use to make profit for ourselves. Okay, so before I dive into that, make sure you have a verified kucoin account, and let's do this. Okay, so before I quickly move into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and as well share our videos. Okay, and if you are returning viewers and you are kind of yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like our videos, and as well share our videos. Okay, so the opportunity in this very crypto market today is on Solana. Okay, we're going to go into look at the Solana coin and see how much profit we can make immediate from it. Okay, so what we just need to have on this very trade is you must have a USDC coin. A lot of us knows the USDC coin, right? Okay, it's always a USDT equivalent. All right, it's always a what, a USDT coin equivalent. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have some USDC. If you don't have USDC, you can convert your USDT to USDC. Okay, or you can use your USDT to buy USDC. Okay, so first, this is a Solana coin I want us to talk about and trade today. Okay, so this is a Solana coin, is green for now. So the market is greenish, and as you can see, is going to be very profitable. Okay, so let's go back. So one of the most fascinating thing about this Solana is that once you type it up here, it will give you two, three options. Let's say Solana SOO. You can see SOO slash USDT. You can see there, right? SOL slash USDT, SOL slash USDC. Okay, and what we are going to concentrate on here is on this very place. Buy at the rate of what, 162, and sell at the rate of what, 162.47. Wow, 162.1 to 162.47. That's gonna going to make you a reasonable, make us a reasonable profit, right? Okay, so one thing first that you must do is that I said you must have a USDC. That is, if your fund is in USDT, you can get your money from anywhere, bybit, binance, and send it to kucoin. You must have a wallet fund before proceeding on this transaction. Okay, so if you click on USDC, if you click on USDC now, it will bring you to something, so to a place of this very nature. Okay, it will bring you to this very place. If it brings you to the very place, all you just need to do is to what, is to buy. Okay, this will be much more profitable for you when you have a high capital. Okay, when you have a what, a high capital. Don't forget, as I said earlier, you must have a USDC. Okay, you must have what, a USDC before proceeding on these transactions. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do is to fill on your volume of USDC here. Fill on your volume of USDC here, right? The volume of USDC should be here, right? So since we don't have a USDC down, let's quickly check how you can get USDC for yourself. Okay, so you're going to trade USDC slash USDT. Okay, so you come up here and click on what, search for what, USDT or USDC. Okay, so in this very place now, you have seen the USDC slash what, USDT. Okay, which is here. So we're going to going to buy some what? Some USDC what? Like right away. Okay. If we buy some USDC what right away, we will now use it to trade what? To trade Solana. Okay. So let's quickly go into that. So you click on USDC. Okay. Because you need a USDC right now, right? Okay. Let's say we're gonna buy some USDC with USDC. Okay. Who have buying 100 using 100 USDT to buy 100 to buy USDC will be given 99.942, right? So 99.942 using 100 USDT at the rate of what? 0.99942. Okay, which is what, don't forget, 99.942. All right. So the next thing that we just need to do now is to use this USDC now to trade Solana. Okay. So since we are being given this now, we'll now use this to what? To sell a USDT market, right? We'll now use this to what? To sell in what? In USDT market. You can see the market is really changing. Okay. You can see it's really changing. Okay. So each time you come to this very place and you see this opportunity, just grab it. It may not always be there. Okay. So now we'll go to check. Taking this very volume 0.6144 to USDT markets. Okay. If you come to USDT markets, click on the top here. Click on USDT. Sorry. Click on SOL. Search for SOL USDC. Okay. Search for what? Search for what? USDT here. Okay. We're going to search for USDT SOL right now. Okay. Let's say SOL. If you search for SOL, you will now choose for USDT. Okay. Okay. So now that we have SOL to sell, is what? 0.1644. Okay. Oh, sorry, I missed the figure. So it's 0.6144. You see, now you have 100.0178 USDT. Okay, that is, you have this zero point, you have a 0178 USDT. Okay, you have this as a profit, right? So imagine you are doing this for $1,000. So really, this is very profitable for people with a high capital. Okay, as I said earlier. So if you have a high capital, there's always a market opportunity here for you that you can come and make your fund. Okay, so let's check this. If I have a thousand converted USDC, if I have a thousand converted USDC, it will give me what? It will give me this 99,999.42 with my what? With my 1000 USDT. Okay, with my 1000 USDT, because don't forget, first you must convert your USDT to USDC, or you may buy USDC with USDT. Okay, so you have 99,999.42. Okay, use this 999.42, the same thing we just did. Don't forget, do not be confused, please. use the same figure 99.42 to buy SOL. Okay, use the same figure 999.42 to buy SOL. You see, you have 6.162. Okay, take it to USDT market now. Okay, take this to what? To USDT market. Come up here and search again. SOL to USDT. No, SOL to USDT. So bring this now to USDT market to sell and say, okay, 6.6. You see, bringing this now to the USDT market to sell, you have made a profit of what? Of 1.1018 USDT. You see, I've made a profit of what? 1.10 USDT using this, selling at this rate. Okay, you can still get a lot of opportunity from this place. Imagine you do this multiple times a day, or imagine you have like 10,000 USDC doing this a day. You will make a lot of profit from this. Okay, so please watch it carefully from the beginning to the end. Do not be confused, please. And if you do have any question, do well to drop it at the comment section. I will attend to you ASAP. Okay. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and as well share. Okay. Thank you.